afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. So today the boys have been working on this 2017 or 67 plate VW T6 Transporter. So we do lots and lots of work on these, but this has been quite varied today. We've gone for the V3 headlights with both bulbs or lamp upgrades just to make sure that when they drive home in a minute, it's going to give awesome light output on the road and also some nice DRLs and dynamic indicators. We have fitted an FM, DAB and shark fin color coded on the roof, and that means now that the factory antenna in the wing mirror is null and void, and the customers, although using a genuine or factory style radio in here, is still going to benefit from much better reception, because FM and DAB or DAB can be quite volatile as it is. So having a shark fin on the roof, as long as you haven't got a pop top, absolutely fine, but having it color coded as well just gives you that extra level of refinement. We've also fitted a security product. We fitted the ghost immobilizer. Obviously we can't show too much about that, but that just means that even if somebody breaks into your house and steals your keys, they can't steal your van or your car unless they've got a low loader nearby. Ultimately, that means that you don't have to worry about getting the vehicle back if it has been stolen and has it been trashed or crashed or whatever. Either way, the Ghost Immobilizer, really popular product for us. Yesterday was a Range Rover, today is a Volkswagen T6, so we do lots of variation here. At the same time, we fitted the Thinkware Q1000 front and rear dash cam with the additional radar, which basically prolongs or extends your parking mode and offers a bit more functionality. The Q1000 is one of the, I'd say probably less popular, and only because there are quite a few other models out there, but it's a great 2K camera front and rear and great functionality, which is the reason why it's popular. Also, this customer has gone for the VW Ambient lighting kit. So it's got a VW part number, it's in a VW box, and it includes blue footwell lights and also door pocket lights. Only comes in blue, it's not RGB, it's not multicolored, it's just a single color. We do offer other colors, but they're not VW badged item. So at night, and again, when these guys drive home in a minute, this is going to, I don't know, just transform their driving experience in a way, because driving home with some nice blue lights on, especially in this good looking van, is going to make it even more special. So we'll have a quick look at the back of the shark fin, quick chat about that, and then we'll look at the headlights and go from there. Now, a few minutes ago, I said this was a really good looking van. Unfortunately, on the roof, this roof has seen better days. Now, it might be surfing equipment, paddle boards, roof bars, ladders, I don't know, but there's a lot of dents and dings in this roof. But it doesn't matter, because now it's got our beautiful color-coded shark fin antenna. This is a German-made product. There are two variations, FM and DAB, or FM, DAB and GPS, and the boys have then cut a hole in the roof with our hole saw, fitted the cabling on through with a bit of silicone sealant just to seal it, and then the cables get routed down the passenger side to the front. In most instances, we'll even cut the cables and adapt so that there's not excess slack banging around in the front area or front dash area, because that's when you're going to lose signal as well. There's also a 12-volt trigger, so when the ignition is put on, that sends 12 volt to the aerial to amplify it for low or poor coverage areas, and it's a cracking bit of kit. Although we've done loads of videos for aftermarket headlights, these particular headlights are incredibly popular just because of the fact that they look really cool. So this is black and chrome. This is the VW T6 V3 model, and if Richard just puts the ignition on, so this van has got auto headlights, so we've got auto switched off, we've got everything else switched off. This is just your DRL. This is what you're going to see all day, every day, whilst you're driving around. Now, because we're in the workshop, and if we were to drive out of the workshop now, because of the auto feature, that would then dim the DRLs and the projectors would light up. So the projectors have H7 lamps or bulbs in there, but this particular model has the LED aftermarket upgrade, officially for off-road use only, but because the LED is hidden behind the projector, as long as it's not a fail or not working, shouldn't really be an issue. The main beam, so flashing and down country lanes, are the H1 Osram night breaker. Unlike the T6.1 that has dual projector, this is the main dipped beam, which is a projector, but this is a standard lamp or bulb in here. So you do get a yellow tinge, but it's the best they can. Plus the Osram Nightbreaker is a popular bit of kit. And of course, it's been coded as well so that when you flash, you also then get your dipped beam and main beam on at the same time. Now at the moment we've got the indicators on dynamic, so they are orange DRLs, and obviously that's both sides. So if you want a set of these headlights, get in touch with us, because we fit these probably twice a week and they're a cracking bit of kit. So we have done this kit, we have fitted this kit on lots of vehicles. It's not just a transporter part number. We've had a VW Polo in, we've had other makes and models that aren't part of the van group. So it doesn't really mean that just because it's a VW product that it can only go in a VW. It's not really a big issue. One thing we do like is the fact that it's the colour temperature that it offers whilst you're driving. The footwell lights are a slightly different colour than the door pocket lights. The door pocket lights are sort of a bluey purple, and that looks really, really cool. Yes, the dashboard is all red, but I think it's it puts it all into context and makes it look different rather than having it all red. It's a bit too much of a glow. If you don't want the footwell lights or the door pocket lights, then both Richard and myself have used similar kits to put in things like door handles and other little cubby holes in cars, and they do look really good. So you don't have to follow the standard installation process of putting them into the set places. We can be more bespoke if you want. Just to talk to you quickly about the Q1000. It's one of several model numbers in the range from Thinkware. We offer most of them. The most popular is the Q850, which is the replacement of the Q800, which is a 2K front camera and a full HD at the rear. Nice compact looking camera, and once it's in, it's fit and forget. You've got things like parking mode, speed cameras and other great features like that. And then there's the immobiliser, which I'd already spoken about. Great bit of kit, because it does just mean that you've got peace of mind that somebody can't just go and steal your van, even if they've got access to the keys. So if you're interested in any of the products that we've spoken about today on today's video, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with us through the contact form. We just don't have the manpower to respond to all of your YouTube questions because we would never get any work done. But we do appreciate your viewing. Don't forget to follow us on social media and look out for the next video.